Yeah? What are you going to sing for us?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Okay, well look at me then. And sing a little bit for me.
Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world's so sky, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Well, how about the one that from school? The angel one, with the actions.
Alright.
Go on then.
Listen, the angel said, this is the word of God. You will find in a stable in Bethlehem a babe who is Christ the Lord. Listen, the angel said, this is the word of God. You will find in a stable in Bethlehem a babe who is Christ the Lord. Humbled by what they heard, no one could breathe a word. So they knelt one by one as the angels sang, hail to the newborn King.